Injectors. For diesel fuel to ignite and burn efficiently, it's necessary to break it up into a fine atomized spray to increase the surface area in contact with the air. And this is the function of the injector. Simplified, it's a spring-loaded valve operated by fuel pressure. Internally, a tapered needle is held firmly on its seat by a spring. When the spring pressure is exceeded by the high fuel pressure acting on the needle's shoulder, it lifts and diesel is forced out through the nozzle spray hole or holes. This action and the design of the nozzle assembly atomizes the fuel and produces a carefully designed spray pattern. As the needle returns onto its seat, a small quantity of excess fuel, used to lubricate and cool the needle and nozzle, is returned to the tank via the injector's back leakage connection. There are various types of injectors, but generally they're classified into two groups. Hole type for direct injection and pintle type for indirect injection engines. The hole type has a number of openings which distribute fuel to different areas of the combustion chamber. In contrast, pintle injectors produce a single cone-shaped spray to mix with the circulating air in the swirl chamber. Injectors are secured either by nuts and studs or by a large thread. The gas-tight seal between the injector and cylinder head is often formed by a copper washer, which must be replaced whenever the injector is removed. The washer can also act as a shield to protect the nozzle from excessive combustion heat. On some engines, the washer is of a steel crushable type. However, whatever the version, if it's not renewed, then serious damage caused by escaping combustion gas is likely to occur to the injector nozzle and cylinder head. So always fit new ones. Incidentally, likely symptoms of a defective injector are misfiring, engine knocking, loss of power, black exhaust smoke, increased fuel consumption, and increased smoke initially after cold starting. It's also worth remembering that costly damage to the piston and combustion chamber areas can occur if a faulty injector is not identified and replaced promptly.